Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to archive emails and retrieve archive emails in Outlook. So let's get started. First, open your Outlook app or go to outlook.com and log in. Now, once you are in, go to your inbox and select the email you want to archive. Now, give a right click and you will see here several options. Look for the archive button and click on this. Now, at the bottom left side, you will see the undo option. Click on this and you will see that your email is back to your inbox. There is a second trick also. Just archive your email again. And now you have to go to the archive section. You will find this in left side of your screen. Click on this and select the mail. Now click on the move button and you will see the inbox button. Click on this. Now check your inbox. You will get your email back in your inbox. So that's it. You have now learned how to archive and retrieve emails in Outlook. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.